Dynamics 365 for Talent has a terrific click, try, buy model that makes it easy for you to get acquainted with the system at your own pace. But diving into a human resources information system for the first time by yourself can be intimidating. Luckily, the system has you covered with a guided tour that shows you at a high level what Dynamics 365 for Talent can do for you. Just find the Click Here to Get Started button and you're on your way. The first thing you'll notice is high-level overviews of various features that are available, like core human resources, employee and manager self-service, the Attract app, the Onboard app, leave and absence, compensation and benefits, and so on. Next, you can run task guides. Task guides walk you through performing various business processes. You can read the step-by-step instructions, or play the task guide, and the system will show you where to click and tell you what information to enter at each step. Finally, the Getting Started page has a section dedicated to the Excel add-in. The Excel add-in is a powerful tool that will help you with data migration, so you don't have to key in all the data during setup. Before you perform data migration, you first need to understand your requirements and how the system works to satisfy those requirements. Data needs to be loaded in a particular order due to dependencies, but we can take a look at how the Excel add-in works. First, download an Excel add-in template. Click the template you want to work with and click Open on your browser. Click Enable Editing. You may need to sign into your account. After that, you should see instructions on how to use the Excel add-in, and the Microsoft Dynamics Office add-in should be open. The blue column is the data that is already in the system. In your production environment, this column would be empty, but your trial environment will have demo data preloaded. The yellow column is sample data that provides context to help you decide what your data should look like. To add your own data, simply add a cell to the bottom of the list and type a value. When you're done, click Publish. When you return to the system, the values you added will be there. And there you have it, a quick introduction to help get you started learning what Dynamics 365 for Talent can do for you. If you'd like a deeper dive into the system's features, feel free to reach out to the experts at Elevate HR for a demo.